Well, guess what I found? Just out here in the field. Can you guess? You won't guess. It's not a helicopter. You thought it was a helicopter, didn't you? It's not a helicopter. It's kangaroos. Look at that. Those little dots are kangaroos. I'll just zoom in on some of them with a still image. Just a moment. I count about 20. I thought they were wallabies at first, but I think they are kangaroos. Wallabies are smaller. I'm at the university. This is the university campus, and there's the observatory. That's my car. I'm the first one here again. There's a magnificent sunset over there. Hang on, let me change the exposure. Look at that. And you can see this smoke rising. That is smoke from hazard reduction burns. And I think the fire that we saw last night from our house was it was probably a hazard reduction burn. Yeah, as I was driving down here, I saw a lot of fires actually. They were everywhere. There was a lot of smoke. There you have it. Better set up my telescope. Well, public observing night is over. Wasn't such a big crowd tonight, but still kept us quite busy. And once again I was looking at Saturn most of the night. Well, everyone wanted to see it. And it's about 9:30 now, and I'm now going to drive up to Lyndon. A couple of the other guys are going up there too. We're going to try to observe the occultation.
What would you like?
Could I have one standard cappuccino, please?
No worries, that's all.
That's all.
$3.75 extra too.
Thank you. McDonald's. Just going to get a coffee on my way up to Lyndon. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but it's very smoky. Very smoky. This is from the hazard reduction burns that are going on today. I can smell the smoke. You can see it when there's a street light. You see it light up the smoke. Well, I've arrived at Lyndon Observatory. It's very dark. I think observer here getting ready to pull out the T-Rex. Is that you, Rob?
Yep.
He's got a light on his head.
Yeah, there's no wind up here.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? Let me show you the T-Rex. There it is. Wait a minute. There it is. This is my bright light. When I say the T-Rex, it's not called T-Rex anymore. It's called the Evans. There you go.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to push the shed off. How do you know when to stop? Oh, it should be here somewhere.
It'll automatically stop.
Right.
That should probably be enough anyway.
I think it will be.
Because we're looking towards the northeast. That's double beeping at the moment.
Yeah, so that means you can't trust it.
No.
Well, that's the beeper box. It's a very annoying beep, isn't it, Rob?
After
do you
10
think?
minutes, after 10 minutes, you're thinking, something turn that damn thing on.
So that box is telling us, well, it will tell us the exact time,
So
which
what's
will
this?
allow
Is
us
this
to time the
universal
occultation.
time or
Yeah,
something?
yeah, that's...
We've got some technical difficulties here. The GPS device is only picking up 3 satellites. Should be maybe 6. So Rob's just moving it around, trying different locations. See if we can pick up more. Is that 6 now? It says 6 now.
Yeah, it's your bloody phone. Take it away.
Yeah, check the
It's
stick.
right. Yeah,
Oh,
it's your
let's try it
bloody
again.
phone that's doing it.
Well, we have successfully recorded the occultation. I've recorded it on video. So what I've got there is a recording of a clock. 26, 30. And when the star disappeared, we all yelled out, "Gone." And when it came back, we yelled back. Except I yelled "gone" too early. Gone.
I'll put the things over here.
Back. There you go. So at least 3 people were observing it through telescopes, and we all basically yelled out at the same time. It's very exciting. Well, the big telescope is being packed away.
No, we're going to pack it up, Alan.
We're going to roll the shed back on.
Yeah, we're going to push it.
There's a shed behind me.
Okay.
Against the I think people are going to eventually wreck the...
It's my first one ever, and it was successful.
Yeah, I've never done. I've never left the
Bloody beginner's
He
luck.
does one and gets a bloody positive on
Yeah.
his first go.
It's like it's.
All right.
I said "gone" too early. It looked like it got dim, so I said "gone." But then it completely disappeared, so it was really gone. Well, there you have the T-Rex all packed away in the shed. Look at that. In the shed. It's not really a T-Rex. It's the Evans. I keep calling it T-Rex.